school in Jakarta, sort of modern Sparta. Had no chance against the teenage suburban armadas. We were a sonata, thanks to tight with fathers. Yeah, living under that was hard, but I loved you harder. High school in Jakarta, sort of modern Sparta. Had no chance against the teenage suburban armadas. We were a sonata.
My hopes for the future of modern dance is for us to gain more exposure as a whole dance unit. Because our separate ethnic dance CCAs just recently combined this year, I feel like we need more chances to perform together and get to know each other more.
My experience in modern dance has been a unique one, but it's mainly because I was in Malay dance and then I combined with other CCAs to be formed into modern dance. So it has been a unique one, and I hope for more unique experience in the future.